Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you want to make more interesting and exciting garden, a flower bed is always a great way to do. It is one of the easiest and most effective ways to beautify your outer space. Whether you want to plant flowers, herbs, vegetables, or shrubs, there are pretty flower beds ideas here you can try. Flower beds don't have to be boring. In this video, you will find gorgeous floral layouts, unique design from repurposed or used pots. There are tons of simple and easy to make projects too. There are even ideas for raised beds so you never run over your plant. You don't have to worry if you have a small yard. You can simply try a flower bed in vertical. If you want your flowers planted in the best possible way, consider these carefully selected the best designs. In this case, just think about the space around the house facade. It could be a nice way to use all the space and make the garden prettier. Consider the option of planting flowers of various sizes in order to create layers. If you want to be even more creative, you can change the form and pattern of the flower area, like create a star or like eye shape. These flower bed ideas with pots will transform your backyard with beautiful floral color. Also, if you're looking for garden ideas that won't cost you a huge amount, flower beds are way to go. There's nothing quite alike a gorgeous dense flower bed in midsummer. Fall to bring with building classics using pots or jugs. If your garden has a fair amount of hard landscaping, then choose a perfect pot to decorate. Choose a pot that will complement whatever variety of flowers you'd like to plant, and play with levels of interest and elegance. Single color planting schemes always look attractive in flower beds. If you're not sure what flowers to go for, just pick lots of different ones in a similar color group. Whether you have a small yard or a large one, garden beds full of your favorite flowers are a nice touch. The flower bed ideas I'm about to share with you are easy to incorporate and make your own to fit your space. Once your pot flower beds are planted, regular maintenance will ensure they thrive and survive.